Hello, so awesome to see you. It has been said that knowledge is power. Can I tell you a secret? Knowledge isn't power, it is potential power. The real power lies in taking action. However, if you experience strong emotions such as fear or anger, it can prevent you from taking action, and with that, it's impossible to deliver the desired results. That's why constructive thought management and emotional control is now more important than ever. Many people are still not aware. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best. Please subscribe, like, and share.